Welcome back. Okay, our next pattern is going to be the throw out. Yeah, don't throw her out, all right? It's not the whole point. It's just kind of like you put her in a position, all right? It looks that way, but it's really not. And we're going to take this from a closed position because that's where it works best, okay? So give me the angle. We're going to go right into it. Closed position. Her left, my right side's close together. In a progressive manner, we're going to do basic first. And triple, triple, rock, step. Triple, triple, rock, step. Nicely done. Let's take it from this angle. Ready? And triple, triple, rock, step. Triple, triple, rock, step. Nicely done. All right, let's take it from this angle. All right, having fun yet? Good. All right, here we go. Ready? And triple, triple, rock, step. Triple, triple, rock, step. Very cool. So we're going to come at the camera this time. Ready? And triple, triple, rock, step. Triple, triple, rock, step. Hoorah. Okay, nice. Biggest thing is keeping the triple alive, keeping that rhythm alive. Again, East Coast swing done timing, rhythm, and description, whatever you want to do it. You'll get that in the private lesson style video. So what that means, go to that and find out. Other than that, have fun with this. Practice together or apart. Maintain fun through this, okay? Enjoy it. Come on back for the next pattern.